Right, so I've got the stickers all off that I've shown you. So let's get inside this Tribute. Yeah, we kind of need a good cleaning and good going through. What I'm going to do now, first of all, just got the tally with it, is I'm going to check it off so I'm not getting any nasty surprises. I've got my checklist here, which I'll go through. So my first job is I'm going to be basically just having a wander around, getting my stuff. Right, there's the leisure battery down there. Oh. Let's have a look what we've got under here. There's nothing under there. Let's have a look at what we've got. Oh, there's a job straight away that one's doing. Cupboard there. So I think what I'm gonna go and do, let's have a look underneath this bed. My God, there's everything under there. Right. Where's the water heater? These we find out where the water heater is, just to see where the flow is on the van. So there's our flow. So we'll have to get them through the hatch there. Right, I've got my work cut out with this van, I think. Well, I like a challenge. I'll turn this duckling into a nice little swan. Let's have a look here. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do. Basically, I'm going to get most of the stuff out from under the bed. Just have a ferret around. Probably get the gas on, get the electric on, try some of the appliances, get a little bit of a feel for the van. Yeah, because everything, it's like, I think little things like this, it's just a mess. Yeah, I just want all tidied up really. So, okay. Right, leave me to it, I'm going to crack on. Here's a conundrum for you. So somebody's put a microwave in there. Yeah. Right, I found under the bed the cupboard door for it. Yeah. Now, would you leave the microwave in? Do you know what I'd be tempted to do? Take the microwave out. Put the cupboard back. Put the cupboard back in place and put the microwave in. As an accessory. Optional, actually, yeah. Because if everybody looks along there, you've just got that cupboard there. It's a mess, isn't it? Yeah. So if we put that cupboard back in, nice. Yeah. Did I bought? Was it a slimmer microwave? I think it was. I bought when I had my first motorhome. I googled for compact microwave. Yeah. And I think it was a Daewoo or a Hyundai one that come up. Well, that's a bonus, that is. Yeah. That's a bonus. Yeah. Well, one of these ones before, haven't we? Do you remember? This is a lovely. Do you know the difference? Let me just shake you. The difference is, look, we've got this area here. Yeah. And this is a nice van. It doesn't look it at the moment, right? It's low mileage. It's full service history as well. They made that little table to get there, don't they? Because the big table's a bit bulky. I took my big table out of mine. See the big table that extends? Yeah, we've got the big table there. But it's done 13,000 miles, full service history. And it just wants a bit of TLC, you know. Yeah. All this lot's underneath here as well. They've actually put some blue carpet down. See, it's under here. Yeah. There's blue carpet down, which I think we'll get rid of the blue carpet. Get these carpets back up, wax them all up. Do both them seats swivel? Yeah. Yeah, both them seats swivel. Yep. Yeah, we'll take that table back out again.
and put the original table in. But I'm going towards, we'll move that microwave. But this, it's probably been lived in, hasn't it, for a bit?
It's been well used, yeah. Even though it's low mileage.
I wouldn't say well used, it's because all the woodworks, there's no marking on any woodwork. Do you know what I mean? There's no marking on any of the seats.
But it's not been sat idle, it's actually been...
So...
It's done what it's supposed to do. Does what it says on the can.
But this will make a nice... Good mean tidy all this up, this will make a nice van.
You've got LED lighting.
This is a nice van, it's a nice layout, Kev. Let's crack on again. Right, so I managed to clear this bed out. So yeah, we've got the water heater. As you drain off down there. We've got the pump. Right, so I can pretty much now get at that to check for any leaks. I think, yeah. Just put that down there. Get out there so we've got some light in here. Right, so I think, yeah, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to start setting the van up, and then I'm going to start to turn this into a nice motorhome. So everything's with it as well. Right, so what we're going to try and do now is we're going to get some water into the van. So Kevin's out there putting the water in, so it should come down the pipe and into the tank.
You ready?
Yeah, far away. So there you go. So what I'm doing at the same time, I'm checking for any leaks in the pipe going down into the tank, and we're looking good there. And then I'm just, while he's doing that, I'm just going to check underneath. So if we have a look underneath, can you see the pipe there? That's going into the freshwater tank. Everything's looking good there. Just checking around. So what we'll start to do now is, let's just check that. Keep going, Kev. Yep. We're going to start to prime up. So first things first, drop that drain valve down, and then what I'm going to do now is we're going to switch the pump on. There we go. Got a bit of water in. So we'll go back. Hang on, I'll tell you what we will do. Let's go to this tap. There we go. Right. So let's follow everything along. So that's going into there. Here's our pump. Everything's looking good. So we've got the pump. Yeah, I've got no leaks there. And then we'll move over. We'll leave the other taps for a moment. So there's the tap. Let's put that down. That's the tap priming up. And what I'm going to do is just have a look underneath there. Now everything's looking good. We can't really tell, to be honest, until we're primed up. Still putting water in, Kev? Eh? Still putting water in? He always knows how to do it, doesn't he? It's got a prime. So that's primed up. The pump's still going. So let's just come in here. Let's just release a bit of pressure. There we go. Hey? Just 2 seconds, I'm just getting some air out. Getting the air out the tabs. Oh. Right, okay Kev. Yeah, that'll do me now, I'm all primed up. So, one thing, we're not getting any water out of there. So we're getting nothing. So, take that out. Ah, here we go. What they've done, can you see? It's been blanked off. So the odds are this van, the shower area, has been used as a wardrobe, and they blanked that off so the tap didn't get, people didn't catch the tap, and the shower would go over the switch on. So there we go. There we go, a little blanking thing there. So the best thing to do whenever you get something like that is basically start from the shower head and work your way along to the tap, and then all the way back to the freshwater tank. So there we go. That's another little conundrum knocked off the list. Right, so we've switched the gas on, we're primed up now. Let's see. Yes, there you go Kev.
All staying on, yeah?
Yeah, 3 gas hobs. Let's try the grill and oven.
Do you want to wait for the clicks?
That's lit on the grill. Oh, hang on. Flame fairly, did you hear that as well? There we go. Yep, that's on. Let's try the oven. Oven. Yep. Here's the test. Fridge. It's trying. That's lit. Can you hear it? Look at that.
Yeah, no air code to it. Fridge is lit.
Right, fire's next. She's lit. I can't have a full house, Kev, surely.
I don't know if you don't water it yet.
I've done water it here. Blown air. That's electric water heater. Right, it's the last one on the gas. You ready? We have a full house. Right, so that's everything working on the gas.
There's one thing wrong though. Clock's wrong.
That one says 10:15 over there. Right, everything, believe it or not, is working on the gas. That's brilliant. So that was just a quick check. So what I will do is I will get everything on and let it run all day long. But what I will do next is I'll move on and check the electric, make sure everything's working on the electric, so then at least we know we're not getting any surprises. Also, the water's been primed up as well, so we've had it primed up now for a few hours. I have been round just checking the taps and everything to see if there's any leaks. Because it's on a pressure pump, we've not heard the pump going off. So normally when you do get a leak, if you can imagine, leak, drip, 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 dropping pressure, you tend to hear the pump going doo-dum to take it back up, and we've not heard that as well. So it looks like everything's good at the moment. I'll have another whip round, but next what we'll do is we'll check it on the electric. Yeah.